Welcome to Programming ABC. Today I will discuss about ttk-bootstrap library, Python, most popular new Python library, modern user interface. Here is a sample calculator. You can develop desktop application using ttk-bootstrap library, modern user interface. Most amazing feature is slider, round pose, and you can sense pose color, round pose slider. PC cleaner, it's a demo, but you can create like this interface, user interface, using ttk bootstrap. Here is all element of ttk bootstrap: meter widget, toggle button, round shape, color information, primary, secondary, success, info, warning, danger, light, dark, button, combo button, checkbox, radio button, tab widget, text box, scroll bar, entry widget for password. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share.